So Maker, let me. I need to update my fucking hell. It's mooned. Okay, so Maker I like here. Recess to this level. Got daily demand and let's see if there's any POCs. I bet there'll be some POCs in there. Yeah, we've got a few daily POCs in there, so let me just mark them out. Second. So I'm going to set alerts actually for this area. It'll probably be a spot buy for me on Maker. This level, set alerts because I was thinking it would be BTCs at the level we just spoke about. Because a lot of people don't like to sync with BTC, they just bid willy nilly. When make your life a lot easier if you just sync it when BTC's at support. So just set alerts, your point of interest for longs, and then go onto the BTC chart and see if it syncs with your long level. So like we've got this level on BTC that we want. So I've set alerts there. Let's say BTC gets down to here and Maker comes down to my level, I would still take it because the 4-hour OB cluster recess and the weekly POX in the middle. So I'll just I'll be DCing Maker anyway. So I'm happy just to let this play out once we get there. Well, if we get there. Yeah, there's so many POCs now. I'm definitely interested on this trade. There's a weekly as well down here. My God, this is stacked. Yeah, definitely keep your eyes on Maker. All right, there we go. So I'd probably bid something like that. Target new highs. Yeah, I like that. Woods. Oh, Woods already got a limit, has he? I don't know what. Let me look. Oh, there's no need for me to call that if Woods has got a limit. Let me look where his limit is. You sure he's got a limit on it? I can't see it. Yeah, there's no limit for Maker. What's up, R16? 3414. Yeah, so mine's a little lower. But I like Woods's a lot. I'm blind, I can't see it. But I won't call it then if Woods has got one. Oh, there it is. Yeah, you can just play Woods then. I won't call it. But it's a very good level on Maker. So I would recommend taking it. Naveed, are you guys don't buy it? Yeah, I was actually thinking about buying some here, Naveed. What's the, because it's a what, 25 market cap at the moment? 25 mil. Let me have a look. 29, it'll bounce a little bit. I like this level. I think John said to scale in slowly for it. So I would do that. Like, depending on how you like DCA on-chain calls, but I'd enter 50% here and then 50% if we get to like 140 area. Or if we go, because if it, I don't know if it'll drop this low, but this is a really good level to buy. I'll just send you the chart 1 sec. Just because it's on deck screener, you won't be able to see it. I really like this I'm not sure we'll get it though, but if we do get it, that's a lovely area to buy on it. Thoughts on Casper. Let me have a look. Oh, wrong chart. So I actually spoke about this with someone. So it failed to hold this reclaim. So I'm not interested in it now until get rid of that. This new level here, which is 1-1. So 11 cents down to 10 cents. Just DCA this whole area. So if it loses this level, like 9.6, it can easily sweep this candle here, I think. How to avoid depression when you cut it. Book another holiday, Keswick. I go away on Thursday. That's a good way to do it. I think let me see when. So I'm already long on when, but few DCA bids fill for me, but my lower ones didn't fill. So I may actually keep my stops break even, but play these lower levels. But I'll set an alert and let you guys know because when's actually pretty strong at the moment. Chaddy, I already spoke about BTC. I'm looking for a sweep of this weekly POC at 63,700. But like I was saying to someone, Chad, for me, it's kind of bearish that we lost old all-time high. So any longs down here you take, your profit, your TPs, you start selling up here. Or like 72 areas of massive level to flip. Like I don't think I actually touched the weekly POC at front run it. So if it flips out, it'd be nice. But like if I go, I would love, I'm not sure we'll get it, but I would love a retest of this level. 54 down to 50k-ish. If we get that level, I'll be buying spot across the board. We're going heavily for it. Thoughts on whiff chart. You can just look at, I think HBJ is long on whiff, so you can just look at his chart for that. There's no point me going for it when he's got a chart for it. What we got? Let's see. Let's see what's on the spaghetti chart. That's not the spaghetti chart. We got looks. Let's have a look at looks. Why is that so strong? Damn. Okay. Is this got this got some news coming out or something? Or is it negative funding or something? Neutral funding. This could actually be. Let's see what we can get. All right. Yeah, I like looks. Closes above here in 4 minutes would be nice. Really good volume. I don't know what the fuck this volume is. Target the daily resistance up here. 20% move. I think this could be really nice. What's the Stop loss is kind of wide, so I'd have to look for a lower time frame level for it to. Here we go. Yeah, let's wait for 10-minute close on looks. This could be a nice trade. Stop loss would be acceptance back below this 10-minute OB cluster that flips, so something like this. But I'm not long yet. I need to wait for the close above because the volume is really good on this. Naveed, I haven't. Yeah, Chaddy is. I mean, the last couple of weeks has been really choppy, and all of us, mods have been saying to risk less. We say it for a reason, and I don't understand why people don't like to listen when we say it. The easy mode will come, but for now, just risk less than what you usually do. So if you risk 3% usually, risk 1.5 or 2%. I have a limit on solar 173. Yeah, I still actually like. So where's my soul chart? I was playing this level on soul, so it's already swept the 3-day, 2-day, 1-day, and 3-day POC, but there's a weekly POC right at the bottom. So I'm actually going to set some alerts if we get that sweep. So let me delete them. I assume your target's in this wick down here, front running this wick, D. Because it could sweep, if it sweeps weekly POC, like sweeps underneath it, it could sweep like 173 like there, and then up. I have this weird idea, right? I'm underwater on my long from the average like 66.2. Okay. No, I wouldn't. Don't short here, Keswick, because you're shorting support. Just your invalidation would be acceptance back below this box, which is what 62.9. I don't know how much you're risking on it. What is it, 66? It's like 5%. It's the risk to reward isn't great on it because your first major, like for me, if any first major TP on BTC from down here is the 68.5 level. So I would personally try and reduce your exposure if you get to break even. Let's see if looks didn't close above, so we'll wait for another one. We'll wait for another candle closure. That's an alert. I have JTO trade. Can you check my stop loss? I haven't actually looked at JTO in ages. What's your entry? 4383. Stop loss 429. For me, yeah, the stop loss has to be below here. It's got to be below the wicks it's swept. So even like Monday low. Even like what was your trigger to go long here for it? Because the long was down on this sweep here. Right now, I'd personally just wait for Monday high to be reclaimed. Let me go on lower time frame to see what. Like even on lower time frame, it's still at resistance. If it reclaims here, if it reclaims what 443 area, probably takes out Monday high. But until then, it's trading on a resistance. Let me take a look at ETH. So Ethereum, so I fully closed my Ethereum long. I probably will actually look to re-long if it gets down to this level again, because I only tapped the 3-day POC. There's still 1, 2, 3 1-day POCs below, and it actually hasn't retested daily support yet either. So this whole level still a good level for me to look for longs on it. Bond. So bond. There's not actually much volume coming on bond. On Bybit at least anyway. The volume sort of fell off. But bond's a really weird coin to trade. So bounce around daily support. Monday high. If it reclaimed Monday high, I wouldn't long it because daily resistance is right above at 487. So it's kind of limited for that. It's like a 6% move. What I would wait for is a reclaim of this level on the daily time frame and look to bid the retest and target the wicks at what, 650, 640? Near, I'm actually going to reset my bids for the spot level I have. I want to bid this whole level down here. So I think my bid was first bid was like $5 all the way down to here at $4. Really like this because it's lost daily support here at 738. You can see gave a couple nice bear retests for people to go short or even to get out of their trade, and lost. They gave what, 15% dump. So now what I'm looking for is the next daily support, and for me that's at 460 area. Because a lot of these coins are the same. Like you see, the same. They've lost it, and they gave it. All the coins have actually gave a really nice bear retest of the daily support they lost. See, okay, a lot of you in C. I'll have a look at C for you. Is someone in it? Let me check no one's in before I talk about it. Oh yeah, no one's in. Yeah, so C is actually pretty. Not this one. I'd like honestly a sweep of this candle down here and daily support. It's just in a little range at the moment. C is range highs being here, range lows down here, range high. So I'd wait for bid range lows again. Ideally, though, for me, I would prefer to bid continuation on it and wait for the reclaim of this level. Wait, if you were in from 814, what was your invalidation for that 814? Because yeah, it's 14% down now. Okay. then decided to keep. Kind of tough. Like for me, my level is down here, but if BTC pops from here, which it is doing, you might be able to get a bear retest on Monday low. What's look saying? Yeah, so it's struggling to reclaim Monday high. BTC's giving a nice little bounce. FET. How is FET doing? I haven't checked over the weekend. I've been busy all weekend. I've been away, so I haven't really looked at any coins or anything. Okay, so FET for me, if I can reclaim here, that'll be nice. Wait, let's see if there's any little meme line we can. So if reclaims it probably breaks out of this meme line as well. So there's something like this. Target the highs it made. Some actual decent volume coming in on it at the moment. I'm going to set some alerts. So like 291 area. 293. Let's see what else. How's RSR doing? This has been a weird coin. It's been so strong at weird times. I'd like a sweep at this level. The daily resistance it reclaimed. We'll see if there's any POCs. No daily. No 2-day. Oh yeah, this actually could. This is a 2-day OB cluster here. This could actually be really nice. I want to see some POCs there though. That'd be even better. No, nothing. Nothing. But I still like this level on RSR. I've set alerts for it. Could be a nice retest to go long, actually. Something like this. Stop loss will be manual. Target this daily resistance up here. 14.6 level. Could be nice. But yeah, I like that. What do you base when it comes? Chaddy, it's all about volume. And it has to close above. So like looks, for example, it had the volume, but it didn't close above the OB cluster. So you see how no candle closure closed above. There's no candle closure above. It just closed beneath. So now let's see if it reclaims on this next one because the volume is there for it. But let's say, so this is actually a good example of what I'll see if there's no volume in there. So that it pumps up, no volume, and just gets completely sold off, trapping longs at the flip of Monday high. So that's why I always like to use volume. JDV, HBJ is long on whisk, so you can just use his, mate. OB is just this volume indicator on TradingView, this one here, just your standard one. And then this all I look for is the impulsive candles that reclaim the level. I want to see volume in those candles. So this looks one, for example, there's really nice volume coming in on lower time frame, but now we're just waiting for the reclaim. So on this one, because I'm looking at a 10-minute OB cluster, I'm looking at a 10-minute chart. But if this was a hourly OB cluster, I'd look at that hourly chart. Hey, what's up, Arthur? Pac-Man, Pac-Man. I think Arthur and Cry are long on beam, so you can just look at those. Oh yeah, there you go. He's posted it in the thing for you. Are you all packed though, Arthur? You can jump on if you want. No stress. No stress. Really would like looks to reclaim here because the volume is insane on it. Really, honestly, gave a really nice retest today of daily support. Wow, that is nice. I see. Yeah, LTC. I actually fucking annoyed because I posted the LTC chart about it closing above, and I looked to bid the retest, but I was away, so I didn't actually get to bid it. Where is my LTC chart? But it looks really strong, really really strong. So it's this level here that I wanted to bid. Just purely bidding. So like I said, this is an example of one of my go-to setups on higher time frame. So we have LTC, we've got a daily OB cluster here, and we have daily resistance at 96.15. We have an impulsive candle with nice volume, and then retest. Just bid the retest. And it's as simple as that. See you later. See what else is strong. Wonder how Pendle's doing at the moment. Because Pendle, we closed our spot, but I haven't actually looked since. This would be a nice level actually on Pendle. Sweep of here. 2-day POC. 2-hour OB cluster. Yeah, I like that level. Let me set some alerts. No, okay. I said about just seeing people bearish everywhere all the time at the moment, which is usually when it actually reverses. There's nothing TA related about it. It's just little gut feeling. No, nothing about the charts. Just what I've seen in the past when everyone's bearish, that's when they actually move the price up. A little chatty, not much. Mouse uses fibs a lot, so if you need help with it, you can ask him. Wow, Pendle is really strong, actually. Get rid of Monday low. Let's keep an eye on Pendle. See if we get a reclaim of here. Let me set some alerts. A little breakout and reclaim would be quite nice. Pendle's been really strong. Electrify, I don't set TPs. I just TP when I'm happy. I think you can use fib extensions, but I don't. I just TP when I'm happy. A lot of people get married to a trade. I'd rather just take profit when I'm happy. Or when I start to see weakness. So let's say I'm long on a coin in price discovery. Uh, let's say, okay, so let's use Pendle as a example. So I had this big impulse here, lost, had a big sell-off, created a 50-minute OB cluster. Let me just get rid of this so you can see. And it failed to reclaim it. Bear retest, so that I'd take profit there or I'd sell it fully. Because if it was strong, it'd reclaim it. And you can see it's been rejected 2 other times after that. So ideally, honestly, this could be the level that it has to reclaim. API free. Let me look at API free. The volume's dead on API free. Absolutely dead. There's no there's shit volume. I wouldn't trade this coin right now. I'd only trade API free when it starts trending again. If it doesn't hold this level down here, easily will sweep 220 level. You want to play coins that have good volume that are especially when it's choppy like this. You want to play the trending coins. How's Lux doing? Has it reclaimed? No. No, it still doesn't want to reclaim yet. When do you consider the coin is weak? For me, well, I just explained it there on Pendle. So it fails to reclaim levels for me, then I'll take profits or fully sell. Oh god, I'm shattered. Why BTC moving? Yeah, BTC trying to make a move. I've just put on a load of washing. I have nothing to pack right now. I have no boxes to pack. They're all drying. I have nothing. Tareeq, when you say this level will be bearish, what do you mean? So like Zeta, for example, on BTC, since losing this 68.6 level, when was it? Well, it was actually this morning. It hasn't gave a retest of it yet. So bear retest is literally just it retesting the level that it lost. So if you're bullish, you want to see it reclaimed. If you're bearish, you want to see if you're bearish, you can sink your shorts with this retest, and you want it to get rejected from there. That's why I say sink your shorts or longs of BTC. So if you're bearish and you want to short, you sink the short with this level. Has anyone got any other charts they want me to go through? Like I can guarantee there'll be like people shorting down here on BTC because they want to catch a big wick down. So what might happen is we get a pop to squeeze these shorts into this bear retest up here. And this is the level for me that will do uh that will is key. Venom. I've never heard of Venom. All right, Lux is rejecting whilst BTC is pumping. So Lux could be getting some. Lux could get negative funding coming in soon. Because that usually happens when BTC pumps, negative funding coins dump. Cellular, where Venom? Where's it? Venom. This one, yeah. I mean, I can't tell you much with that chart, to be honest with you, mate. Let me see if there's any other exchanges where there's KuCoin usually. Nope. Yeah, I can't really do much with this chart. But you want to see this level reclaimed on it. Oh, Andrew Tate shielded, did he? Theta is not looking too hot if it honestly if it closes below here 267 I'd be pretty worried about it. Because then this is just a whole deviation. And it could, I'm not saying it will, but it could come down all the way to this retest because it didn't actually hasn't retested it since it's reclaimed 148 level. So if you did want to set bids, like stig bids, I'd set them around here. Because when we get flushes, you always want to try and bid the extremes. That areas that people might not be looking at because they're so low down. That's what I do anyway. Because in the flash dumps we've got in the past, they've been like minimum 20%, and some coins even like 40%. So I just go based off that, and I look for high time frame levels around that percent drop on coins that I like. So if what's Theta? Theta is a 43% drop, but because it's a big level, you can look for higher to front run and the DCA down. So if we go depending how if you like to DCA, you could start bidding from 173 down to 148, and your validation is high time frame acceptance below 147. So and you see something like that. Yeah, I look at Phil now because someone else asked me about Phil. So yeah, Phil, for me, he's got a reclaim here. There's a daily OB cluster around here. So wait for something like that here. You can see it's where we rejected from yesterday on Phil. So I think anywhere close to 640 area is a nice buy. There's daily OB cluster here. You front run this wick here. So you could bid like 660 down to $6. Electrify. I think someone's already long on Sui in the group. I think Eli Muzzer and Sui, so you can just look at their chart. Audi, I don't actually like, if I'm being completely honest with you. I think if it loses this level, 55, then it could sweep all this liquidity down here. So let's see if we can find. Yeah, Audi I don't like unless it reclaims 73.5. I'd rather long different coins. Kevin, I've got videos in my educational thread. I've also got a write up on it, so you can just take a look at that. Algo, I'm not gonna think Eli's an algo or someone's an algo because I've seen people ask about it in active questions. So you can just look at their charts for it. Yeah, Lamba. I'm in DAI. What's it? How's it doing? Let me have a look. Oh shit, let's go. Fuck. I'm up. Arthur, you up nearly 2x on it? I think I am. Let me check. Look. For some reason, my alerts on Deck Screen app doesn't go off. Shit, yeah. Coming up to 2x on DI. I was hoping we got a bigger pullback on it, David. On the level that John posted, but I never got it. Yeah, Kevin, it's pinned in my corner. I think I can just tag it for you here, actually. Yeah, it's just there, David. Poly X. Let's see how that's doing. Wow, okay. What the fuck? What a weird coin. What's a very weird coin? This is a very weird. I don't know. Has it got some news, PolyX? Does anyone know? Because it's fucking so strong. Really strong. Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Let's see what else there is. This fucking coin, FXS, is total dog shite. Ever since it lost 984, it's just been dog shite. Honestly, I'm really not interested until sweeps $4. I wouldn't be surprised if it does sweep $4. I'd buy it. I would buy it if it swept $4. Just so weak at the moment. What other spot buys are you guys looking to bid if we do dump? Oh yeah, if anyone who didn't see, I closed Trias and Naka spot last week because of the KuCoin FUD. If anyone's still in it. RVN, injective link, ship, siders. Ondo. Ondo is a chart I haven't looked at in a while. Is that still ripping? So I know Nick loves trading that coin. Swept to level here, swept daily POC. Kind of just. I wouldn't mind a sweep of here. Let's see if there's any POCs. Ah, perfect. I had a set alerts for this sweep if we get it. What's the percent drop? 30% nearly, yeah. I like that. Yeah, Julian, you looking for spot entries on it? Yeah, okay. Let's look. Let's have a look. Honestly, 13 free area. But like the only reason I'm saying 13 free area because this 16.3 has already been retested a couple times now. So I think I'd rather bid the extreme. Like, well, actually, saying that the extreme is this 11.22 area. But like, if you're buying spot, you can for long term, you could start DCAing from that level. What's the drop? Yeah, 25% drop. It's like so like 13.5. You can start DCAing in. Like 9.8 would be a lovely entry on Link if you get it. I thought it was just spot, Julian. Link, I wouldn't look for Link only like leverage trading it when it starts catching a bid. But maybe like tough one. You could try and anticipate a sweep, a deviation below and bid the deviation and bid here for a lev long. So 15.9 to 15.5. Let me look at Pepe. I think Pepe lost a big level. Yeah, Pepe lost a big level for it. I'd rather wait for this reclaim on the high time frame to bid. If it loses this level, 6.5 area, I like here. Yeah, Alexander, I was in Seoul, but it stopped me break even. What's that at now? Shit. It's annoying. That is so annoying. Stop me Pico break even. I was like 1771. Ah. But yes, yeah, so is looking nice. If it reclaims Monday low, then the party starts for it. If it reclaims here. 196 area. 196, sorry. I actually spoke about, because Bryce messaged me about high. I've got it under big resistance at the moment. If it can clear here, this level, then yeah, it'd be really nice. Food, I think Impulse is in Avo. So you can look at his chart. No, okay, it wasn't. We didn't talk about it in the stream earlier. I was saying Bryce messaged me about it. All right, I'll do a few more charts and I'll hop off. So I'm absolutely shattered. Yeah, Doge. I was speaking about this in chart ideas. Oh yeah, look. Sorry, Julian. I'll look at Injective after this as well for you. If Doge closes daily below like this, it's not looking too good. I'll be looking then at this 15 cents level for a retest. So if it closes daily like this, it could give a bear retest and then down. I'll look at Injective now for you. Injective keeps it's honestly a shit coin at the moment because it was a bear market winner. So people made so much money from Injective over bear market, so they're just rotating their profits out of it into other coins. So like for me, it could be nice for a sweep of this wick down here at 26, or I would buy a lot of Injective if it reclaims here. I had a limit ages ago for this level, and I think I may put it back up. I really like the level. What's the drop? It's a big drop though. It's like a 40% drop, which you might not get, but I really do like the level on Injective. All right, let's see what else. What's up, Stein? Zeta, that's Zeta. If anyone's in Zeta, or sorry, not in Zeta, interested in it, I've got I like this level, so I'm going to set my alerts for this level, sweep of this level, see if we get it, because it really is a must-hold level for it. If it loses that level, then fucking hell, it's RIP. Yeah, this is kind of fucked. This coin. I don't know what this selling is. I would say don't trade this. Oh, what a crypto VC paradigm. Arthur, I'm cleaning the clubs tomorrow. Don't you worry about that. That's why I brought new shoes, Arthur. Brought new shoes for it. All right, has anyone got any more charts for me to go through? I'll do a couple more, then I'll hop off. See you later. LTC I went through earlier, but I'll go through it again for you. So, like, I would have long LTC here because we've got daily resistance above. I think if you want to long it, maybe you could try another bid at this retest. But I'd actually kind of prefer it to just reclaim here, then I'll bid that retest target 140. Kevin, you can just look at Impulse's chart for Avo. Tesla, you can look at John's chart for GPU. Posted one this morning. I'm not going to do like meme coins, shitcoin, looking at those charts. I'll go through Tia. Tia is another coin I don't actually like at all. I really want to sweep at this level on Tia. The chart looks so shit, but a nice sweep of this wick, this level here. We'll see if there's any POCs. There might not be any, to be honest. Yeah. Sweep at this level, so what's that? 9.3 down to 8.16 area. Uh, 10-point POC is point of control. You can learn more about it with Pocky. He's what it taught me. Or Arthur. Or sorry, Mouse. No, I wouldn't short up down here. CKZ. What coin even is that? I can't see. BK. I mean, look at the volume in it. The volume's really nice. Don't short. So it's what I spoke about earlier. You want to, if you're looking to short plays like this, you need, for me, to be more comfortable and confident in it. I would like to see a pop above Monday high to fade with no volume. Whereas this Bico coin has nice volume coming in. And BTC is on support. So it doesn't make sense to short anything down here. If people wanted to short, they should have shorted either up here. Yeah, up here. Because there was no actual trigger for a short on this drop. Well, for me, there wasn't anyway. Someone else might have had a trigger for it, but for me, there was no trigger because there was no retest. All right, I'll do Vannery, then I'll pop off. So Vannery, I mean, I have alerts for this. Oh, sorry, it's daily. I have alerts for this level. It's kind of hard to give levels on it because it is just been up only for it. But because it's lost if a daily close like this, it's lost a big level because it's just ranging. It's lost range low. So that's why I'm kind of anticipating a deviation, sweep into this level, and then a move back up. All right, I'm gonna hop off now, guys. I do need to sort some shit out for tomorrow. All right, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Thanks all for joining.